Dylan, for the love of God, upload the steak video. I'll make a filet mignon at 40 subs. I reach 40 subs. I will make a filet mignon. Filet mignon time. Fine, I'll make it. After washing the steak thoroughly, you want to add salt and pepper to both sides. In the meanwhile, turn your stove to the highest heat setting. Wait, why is my fire alarm going off? Once you see small smoke particles, add a small amount of oil in order to get the steak cooking. Tilt the pan in order to get the oil even on all sides. Next, use your tongs to carefully place the steak onto the pan. It should sizzle just like this. All you have to do is wait 90 seconds in order to wait for the steak to cook on one side. After that, you can start to flip the steak. Now, I don't know if you can see here, but you can see that beautiful brown crust. After flipping it, there you go. If your crust looks something like that, you're good. Now, about 1 minute in, this is the time where you can start to add stuff such as butter, and I recommend a thick slice, and you should also remember to add some thyme. I prefer about a bushel. Don't forget garlic too. Once the 90 seconds is up, flip the steak, and then what you want to do is you want to spoon butter onto the steak so it can be infused with the flavor. After 1 minute of doing this, you can either put the pot lid back on to let it rest, or you can just take it out. Once it's done resting for 2 minutes, you can take the steak out, as well as the thyme, and you can put it on a plate in order for a nice plating. It seems like I cooked it right, but let's see if it actually is by checking the inside. Wow, I actually got medium rare. Hello guys, as you can see, here's the steak just finished. And since the person kept nagging me to do a steak video, I'm gonna invite him over to eat some of this. And he should be coming out in a few seconds.
Hey guys, Rat's here. I'm gonna be trying this idiot's steak. Alright, let's go. Let's see how bad it is.
Oh yeah, right. Pretty decent.
Yep.
What would you say it is?
Tastes like, I don't know, like a medium rare.
Alright, that's good, because I was trying that. This isn't bad.
Although it looks well done.
It looks well done. I had to reheat it because I have to make it raw.
No, but it's really tender, really juicy. It's not stringy at all, which I love. I hate stringy steaks, so. But you know what it could use?
What?
It could use some ketchup. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.
Dylan's channel!
My channel!
Dylan's channel!